Video, we are going to create setter and getter methods. For this, go to your Eclipse. Here, as you can see, I have created a class which is an employee class. That class has three instance variable: employee ID, name, and salary. Now let's create the method. I'm going to write an access specifier, that is public void. Void is a return type that does not return a value. As we are setting the data, I'm going to use set and employee ID. EMP ID, open close round bracket and curly bracket. Here set is used for setting the employee ID instance variable, and which I have copied from the instance variable. Now write the local variable as int. I'm going to take your ID, and then emp ID is going to get the data which comes in ID field. Now let's just call the set method and pass the value there. E dot set employee ID 12. 12 will go to ID, and then ID will pass the data to employee ID, which is the instance variable. Now let's create another set method for name. Public void. As you can see, I am using void for set method because we are not retrieving the data. We are just going to give or set the data there. So set name. Let's write the local variable name or parameter variable name. This should, yeah. Now let's write the another set method for set salary. Parameter variable, that will be double S. Now salary instance variable is equals to S. Now let's just call the set method. E dot set set name, in double quotes I'm going to pass a value there, Ankita. Then E dot set double, I'm going to give the salary, and that's it. This is for set method. And now let's write the get method. The get method is going to have a return type as we are retrieving the data. So let's start. Access specifier, that will be public. I'm going to return the int data type int. For get employee ID, no parameters must be specified in get or given inside that get method. As you can see, I have not given any parameter variable. Now just write the return keyword and return the instance variable employee ID. Now let's create all the remaining getter methods like public void, not void, return type, as we are creating get method. Get name, return, here as name is string, so I'm going to write here string, then return name. Then the last one for salary, public double get salary, return salary. Now let's call the get method. Here you can see this is the get method. I'm going to call this method inside my main method. is going to print the statement sysout employee id e dot, just call the method get emp id. Then second sysout name plus e dot get name. Last one for salary. Let's save the code. Right click, run Java application. As you can see, the data is set and we got the data. These three were for setting the data and these three for get method. These are the get method.